Hi everyone! Welcome to Laura Everyday English. I'm so happy you're here. This is your special place to learn easy and fun English every day. Today we have a lovely listening story, a surprise birthday party. It's full of happy moments, laughter, and a very special surprise. So just relax, listen carefully, imagine the scene, and enjoy the story. After the story, we'll learn the past continuous tense together. We'll explain it in a very easy way, look at how it's used in real life, and even learn a little about its history. Then we'll practice together with simple and fun exercises. Ready? Let's begin.
The Chocolate Hat Birthday. It was Saturday. Sun was shining. Mia was 10 years old. She was walking home. She was happy. She had music in ears. She was dancing small dance. In the park, surprise! Mom was making party. Mom was blowing balloons, red and yellow. Dad was putting small gifts. Leo was Mia's friend. Leo was carrying big chocolate cake. Cake was yummy. Rain started more. Oh no, rain!
Dad was holding big plastic. Mom was running to balloons. Leo was walking very slow, cake in hands. Mia came to park. She was running fast. Leo turned. Mia ran. Boom! They hit. Cake went up and fell on Leo's head. Chocolate on face, chocolate in hair, small heart on nose. Funny. Mia stopped. She looked. Leo, cake on your head? Everyone quiet. Only rain sound. Leo looked Mia. Then Leo laughed. Happy birthday, Mia. Mia laughed too.
Happy tears in eyes. Mom ran. Mom hugged Mia and Leo. Cake on everyone. Dad made photos. Best birthday. Mia said, "You made party for me? In rain?" Mom said, "Yes, we love you." Leo hugged Mia. Cake on head, but very fun. They went under big tree. Rain less now. They ate cake with hands, no plates. They sang happy birthday in rain, all smiling, all happy. Party not perfect, but love very big, laughs very big, funny memory forever.
Now, when rain comes, Mia smiles. She remembers Leo and Chocolate Hat. Wow, very funny story, right? Past continuous is easy. We use was or were plus verb ing. It shows action was happening. Formula: I, he, she, it equals was plus verb ing. You, we, they equals were plus verb ing. Examples from story. 1. Mia was walking home. 2. She was dancing small dance. 3. Mom was blowing balloons. 4. Leo was carrying cake. 5. They were laughing under tree. Short, easy practice. 1. Mia, home. Was walking, was walk. 2. Leo, the cake. Was carry, was carrying. 3. Mom and Dad happy. Were, was. 4. They in rain. Sang, were singing.
Hope you laughed and smiled. Thank you for listening today. Like if you likes the story. Subscribe plus bell for more easy, fun stories. Comment, one word, funny, cake, happy? Tell me, I read all comments. Next story soon. Bye-bye, friends. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.